So now that you've asked some questions so that you know what your readers might want to know when you're doing your writing, you had also said that sufficient details might be descriptive. They might be specific. And these are very closely connected to our second learning goal, which is to use concrete words and phrases and sensory details to convey our experiences precisely. What words in that target do you need to review? What does concrete mean, besides the stuff you walk on outside? Max?
That is what I was going to say, but, like, I was just going to say what it means, but, like, something that describes, I think.
Strong, bold words.
Strong, bold. Concrete also means really specific. It would be very concrete to say that pod starts at 8:30 a.m. That's very concrete. Less concrete would be to say pod starts sometime in the morning. That's not as concrete. So concrete is specific. What other words in there are you unsure of? So we're going to use strong, bold, specific words or phrases and sensory details to convey experiences precisely. Cole.
Convey.
Convey. What does convey mean? I feel like that might be similar to one of the Latin roots we were studying.
I forgot what it meant.
Con sometimes means not.
Not create. No, not they. No.
What are we trying to do with our writing?
A conveyor belt is moving something.
Yes, think about a
that's what I was
conveyor
gonna say.
belt. It's
A conveyor. So convey would be bring or carry.
bring or carry.
To bring experiences precisely.
You could also say send, right? A conveyor belt sends something from one place to another. So we're going to bring or carry or send our experiences precisely by using concrete words that are strong and bold or specific and sensory details. What are the sensory details?
What is sensory? Like the five senses?
The five senses.
Oh, so like smell and taste and touch and hear.
Yes.
Smell.
Yes.
See.
All of those things. What you can see, what you can hear, smell, taste, touch. So what I want you to do, before you start your actual weekend update, I want you to think of a word or a phrase. A concrete word or phrase or a sensory detail that you're going to use to help you convey or send your experience precisely. I'm going to think about all of those questions that my readers asked. I might say bike ride and car, but more than and car, I might be thinking about the melting snow that I saw. And I might be thinking about the brisk air that was tickling my skin. So I'm not writing sentences, I'm just writing some quick words. Clean the house. I might write grit under my feet because that's what I felt. That's what I felt before I did my sweeping. I might write the monstrous thunder. That's what I heard when I was vacuuming. So write a word or a phrase, maybe 3 of them, that you want to make sure you include to help you convey your experience precisely. Write those now, and when you have about 3 words that you want to make sure you include, you could draw a mini picture of one of your events while you're waiting for everyone to finish.
Do we need to draw a mini picture about our events?
You don't need to draw anything. You need to write some words or phrases that you want to be sure you include to describe your experience.
Does it have to be an experience?
One of these things that you're writing about from your weekend.